In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move topics in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorganize your classwork by changing the topic assigned to a post, so your students can find what they need faster and your course stays tidy. Start by heading to the Google Classroom homepage. You'll see a grid of your classes. Click the class where you want to move something. Once you're inside the class, look along the top and open the Classwork tab. This is where all your assignments, questions, and materials live, grouped by topic. Find the specific post you want to move to a different topic, hover over its title and look for the three dots, often called More Options. Click those three dots, then choose Edit. This opens the full editing view for that post, which lets you change details without recreating anything from scratch. In the Edit screen, locate the topic menu. Depending on your screen size, it may appear on the right side or beneath the description fields. Click the topic drop-down and you'll see a list of existing topics for this class. Select the one you want to move this post into. For example, if you want it grouped under reflection paper, choose that topic from the list. The moment you choose a different topic here, you're telling Classroom to relocate that item within Classwork. When you're done, click Save. That's the key step that applies your changes. After saving, you'll return to the Classwork page and you should see the post now organized under the topic you selected. Students will also see it in that section, which helps them follow your structure and reduces confusion. A few quick tips as you work. You'll need to be a teacher or co-teacher in the class to edit posts. If you don't see the topic field, double check that you're editing an assignment, question, or material within Classwork. If the Classwork page looks out of date after saving, refresh your browser to update the view. And if you're coordinating with another teacher, agree on clear topic names so everything stays consistent. That's all there is to it. Open your class, go to Classwork, edit the post, set the topic to the correct section, and save. You can repeat these steps for any other items you want to regroup. It's a simple habit that keeps your class organized and makes navigation easier for everyone. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Google Classroom.